like I said, temporary solution. I just wanted to explain something to you guys. I need to do a video and I haven't done one. Please stay red. Pretty please. Right, run down. Ah, god damn it. So, I don't know if you guys know, mental health went downhill like massively. What I might do, I might just pull over and do this video. Just because this mic is rubbish. You can probably hear me and it's really static and really shit. But yeah, anyway, I split up my partner. Anyway, like 3 weeks after she got into a relationship with a... It's been an adventure. Don't want to touch on it too much. I might actually delete that bit. Basically, okay, let's start again. Maybe I touch on the 1000cc club quickly. So I'm not here to throw anyone under the bus or anything like that. Although I have been thrown under the bus myself, and I think a lot of this has come, a lot of the blame from the club has landed on my head for some weird reason. Let me change gear and go somewhere where I can cruise. Right. Oh mate, need to stare anymore. Yeah, a lot of the blames come to me. Basically, long story short is I left the 1000cc club. I had a lot going on in my life, and I'd partly resigned anyway. Not resigned, it wasn't a job, but I kind of treated it as a job. That's better. I kind of treated it as a job. Anyway. Oh god, what's going on here? I asked a few questions, you know. The mental health event that we did, we raised, I think it was like $3,000 or something like that. Anyway, there's no money to show for that. For some reason they're holding on to the money. So I started questioning them, why are you holding on to the money for? And they said, oh, you know, I actually have a screenshot of it. One of the Andy Soccer, the guy who said it, was like, I don't see the point in paying them the money because they couldn't be bothered to turn up to the event in the first place. I may stick the screenshots up, but like I said, I don't want to throw anyone under the bus, man. It is what it is, you know, like, you know, false intentions and taking money and deceiving people. That's kind of what it comes under, you know, scam and fraud. So anyway, yeah, that happened. And I did it twice as well. They did it for blood bikers in 2020 to 2021, and they also did it for like cancer research as well in like 21 to 22 or something. I can't remember what it was. So they have done it in the past before. Anyway, they said that they're going to be presenting the money as a check in MCE. So, you know, we'll see what happens. MCE is only around the corner this month. So, you know, we'll see if they actually do present this check or not. Very unlikely. And if they do, then, you know, shoot me and call me Doris. Very unlikely. It's just pretty sad, really. It is what it is. It's annoying that my mic keeps falling out of my mouth, so I can't actually talk properly because I keep trying to push it back up my lips or trying to hold it with my other hand. Maybe that will do. Yeah, we'll stick it there for now. It's holding it by my bottom lip. I can see I need fuel. So yeah, all of that's happened, that's gone on. It wasn't just me who raised this, there's like 12, 18 of us or something like that. And they couldn't give the answers that they, that they kind of promised, I guess. We made it all professional, we put it all out on a Word document, sorry. It's all documented anyway. And they replied, and, they were saying, they had nothing to do with it, when it was actually, it just doesn't make sense, what they were saying. They said they had nothing to do with it, the money, had nothing to do with them. And it's just kind of one of those things, like, I don't care how you put it, like, but Andy's just gone out and brought a brand new R1 carbon fibered, and his partner's just gone out and brought an R7. Like, I don't care how you look at it or how you put it, it just seems a bit suspicious. Anyway, yeah, so that's that side. I mean, and anyway, they kept a lot of the stuff that was donated, which is pretty shit. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try and do like a proper video about it, but I just want to do something, just to kind of show you guys that I'm still here and I'm still active. Well, I'm not active, but I am actively watching, people's content, like Simon, Rev, Peaky Biker. My dad told me about that, Peaky Boo Rider. Some good content on that, I'll tell you that. And Rhythmic, I love Rhythmic, and fucking, the KTM guy, can't remember his name. Yeah, it's not great actually, I might bleep that out of the video as well. No, they're fucking funny as fuck. So yeah, that's that. Me alone, my mental health has been shit. I actually got sectioned for 2 weeks. Anyway, after those 2 weeks, I got assigned a psychiatrist. So now I see a psychiatrist twice a week, every week. And that's my life, really. I'm on antidepressants. I'm not here to give you guys a sob story. I don't really care. Like, everyone fights their own demons, period. I'm not going to sit here and give you guys, oh, I want attention, and man, fuck it. Like, it's life. But yeah, that's why I've been so inactive.